Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover your Bumble account. So if you went ahead and deleted your Bumble account permanently, you have 28 days actually to try recovering your account. Once those 28 days lapses, you will not be able to recover your account at all. You have to start from a fresh account. So go to your Google Chrome or any browser, go to Google and just search Bumble recover account. Click on this link that says, can I recover a deleted account? Okay. And as you can see here, it talks about what I just explained. You want to click on contacting us here. Click on here. This is a hyperlink. Go ahead and click on that. You will be redirected to this page. And now here, I want you to choose request my data, enter your name, okay, your email address where they'll contact you. Make sure it's the correct one. Now, what mode are you using? If you're using a Bumble Date to find dates, you can go ahead and pick that. If you're using it to find best friends, you can do that as well. If you're doing Bumble Biz, choose whichever mode you were using, what platform you were using it on. I was using it on an Android. Your registration date, go ahead and select that right here. So I'll scroll down. Try to remember when you had done it. Give as much information to them as you can to prove that you are the owner of that account. You're basically verifying yourself. Your last transaction with Bumble, I do not have one. When was the last time you accessed your account? That was today. So I'll go ahead and put that in. Okay. So our registration date is actually March. I'll go ahead and put that there, 2025. And how they can help you. So just say that you would like to restore and recover your Bumble account and explain that it's within the 28 days time limit and you have changed your mind, right? Something like that. And then send them your email and they will reach back out to you on the email you shared after they verify you. Okay? Really that easy and simple.